person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
And his name is And his name is
Firstly, I am Andrew Tate, Lord of all beasts of the land and fishes in the sea. I know everything. What I say is gospel. So firstly, the fact I said it makes it true.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Long live the pioneer.
I should be back in school on the other side of the ocean for hope. How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.
Do you want me to cover a specific topic? Send a super thanks comment and I will do it.